Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make money with Odysee. In case you don't know, Odysee is a platform just like YouTube, as you can see here, where persons go on to watch videos, and I'll be showing you how you can start making money with Odysee. And you may be wondering, this is the first time I'm hearing about Odysee, it isn't that popular. Well, you'll be surprised, as if I were to go onto SimilarWeb, as you can see right here, and put in odysee.com. And by the way, SimilarWeb is a website that tells you the estimated traffic that a website gets per month. And as you can see here, Odysee is getting 29 million views per month, and that's a lot. So I'll be showing you how you can start making money with Odysee. The first thing I want you to do is go over to Digistore24, and in case you don't know, Digistore24 is a platform on which you can go to find affiliate offers to promote. And by affiliate offers, I mean offers like these, on which the creators of the products will pay you commission to promote them and to get a sale. And as you can see here, if you were to sell this item, you would get 85% commission, so you'll be earning an estimate of $158. And it's quite simple to sign up, as all you'll need to do once on Digistore24, you're going to tap on register now, and after you tap on register now, you'll be led to this page on which you'll fill in your username and also email address and some basic information, for example where you're from, and that's it. After you've signed up to Digistore24, I would recommend that you go into it and you choose any niche you want. For this example, I'll use the health niche. So let's say, for example, I would want to promote this product and get a commission. How are you going to be able to promote it? Well, you're going to promote it on Odysee, but to do this, you're going to have to put up a video. Don't worry, you won't be the one that will be creating the video, as I'll be showing you a workaround that. You'll need to go onto YouTube. Once on YouTube, as I said earlier, I'm going to do the health niche for this example. So I'll search lose weight fast, as you can see here. After you have entered your search, you're going to tap on filters, as you want to ensure that you get a Creative Commons video. By selecting this, you don't have to worry about a copyright strike or anything like that, as these videos are royalty free and you'll be able to use them and post them anywhere on the internet. Once you have done that, you're going to simply tap on one of the most popular videos in the niche that you are planning to promote. Then once you have opened the video, as you can see here, you're going to copy the website link, and you're going to go over to this website by the name of n.savefarm.net. This is a website that you can go on to download YouTube videos. So you'll put the link right here that you had copied, and you're going to paste it here, then tap on download. Once you have downloaded the video, you're going to go back over to Odysee, and you're going to tap on sign up in the top right hand corner. And the sign up process is quite easy, as all you'll need to do is enter your email address and create a password, and that's it. After you have done that, you're going to upload the video that you have downloaded from YouTube. And remember, again, it's Creative Commons, so you don't have to worry about getting a copyright strike. After you have uploaded the video, you're going to put a link to the product that you are planning to promote from Digistore24. So once persons watch your video about weight loss, you'll simply add the link in the description on which they can tap on to get a product that will help them with their weight journey. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to make money online and how to make money with Odysee.